Hello, everybody. This is Nala Mari again from Best RV in Turlock, California. What is behind me is a rear living with kitchen island in the middle. This is a brand new 2025 Keystone Bullet 287 RL, where you have a two slider opposing each other with a kitchen island in the middle and the big view window. What I'm going to show you right now, all the best features of the Keystone Bullets, and to show you why you need to purchase it if you have a half stand towable truck, because Keystone Bullet is designed for ultralight troubleshooters and perfect for any half stand truck. One of the major features the Keystone Bullet provided is the nice LED light in the front of the edges in the front. So this white strip is LED light, is not plastic rubber. As well, you have a two additional in the front. It's so slick at night when you turn those four lights in the front and make it so bright. And what they did, they give you two red in the back. Plus, those LED lights, you have full control on them. You could turn them on if you like them. You could turn them off if you don't like them. Now, this trailer is aluminum structure troubleshooters. As you see over here, you can see all the aluminum structures inside. Over there, you have the 220 watt solar panel controller with inverter prep. As well, we have 110 and coax hookup over here. And these lights on the front, there's a switch for them. You could on, off, and you could control them. Pass-through storage in the front. Nice power awning with LED lights and two GPL speakers. All the Keystone Bullet, they come with the extended season package, which is extreme installations in the floor and roof, and enclosed on your belly and heated. As well, all the Keystone Bullet troubleshooters, they come with electric tank jack in the front and electric four stabilizer jack, one in each corner, and you can control them with two switches from the docking station in the front. This particular floor plan, the 287 RL, as I said, it comes with the two slider opposing each other. As well, it comes with a two power awning, as you see, one on the slide, one in the front of the slide. It will have both LED lights on the both. This particular unit has two ACs, one AC in the living room, as well, one AC in the bedroom. We try to give it to them like this, with the bedrooms and the two slide. Typical, what I really like on the Keystone Bullet in the back, they give you the ladder. A lot of them you see they don't give the ladder. Keystone, they do. It has built-in ladder. It built in with the rear camera prep. It comes with a spare tire on the cover, receivers for your bike rack. Again, this is a 50 amp, 30 amp with a soft start ACs. Come with it. You have a bumper here for the sewer hose. This is the kitchen slide opposing the sofa and dining slide. And then we have over here endless hot water heater. That's another advantage for you. Endless hot water heater. And you have one docking station with power stabilizer jack, and then the pass through. Here's the control for your solar, tire monitoring, inverter prep, and come with a two propane tank with a cover and a things. Let's go inside and show you all the nice features of the 287. This is what most people they love, is they love kitchen island and more counter space and two slide out facing each other. So, and they always ask me, where is the rear view window? You have a beautiful rear view window. When you're sitting on this unit, you could see how amazing, imagine this unit parked next to a river or ocean, or it's in the forest, how the view is going to be fabulous behind you. So this is 287 rear living. That's rear living. Big window in the back. Nice height of it sofa. Also, kitchen island in the middle and two slide out facing each other. So as you see here, I have a nice, beautiful theater seating. I sit here and I ask, where's my drink? I lay down, they're very comfy. Where's my drink? Here's the drink. And a place for my remote control. And I'm facing the TV and the fireplace, and I could enjoy the nice movie, me and the wife sitting here. Plus, if you brought a friends with you, you have no problem, because there's a seating area here for 2-3 people if you want. Additional to that, when you have the rear view window, they give you two shelves, one on each side. And as I said, they give you everything. They give you the 110 plug, the USB plug, on both sides. So if you're sitting here, you plug your cell phone, your laptop right there, and you could do whatever you like while you're watching the TV and watching the wife in the kitchen fixing the supper. So, two-tier seating, facing the TV and the fireplace. Big hide-a-bed sofa, so if you have somebody to sleep, this turn to a bed. We demonstrated in a previous video. Come all the way here. So sleep 2 people in the back, 2 people in the front. So this trailer is designed for 4 people. The external center, full storage. The doors, again, this is on a swing arm, fireplace, and then all this in behind, above the sofa, it's all storage and it lit up. That's another advantage. And you could see all European hinges with shock. The door stay. It's not going to come in your hand and hurt you. Going to the kitchen. The kitchen, they give you everything you ask for. Nice prepping area on the right, prepping area on the left. Fancy sink with the mesh. You can put your dishes here, dry. The faucet, the way it's spray and won't fall. You have tinsel doors on the side. You have a place for a trash can. More storage here. And more storage. Behind you, you have a full convection microwave. So you have 2 ovens. Propane oven right there. And on the top is electric microwave as well. Convection microwave oven. Storage here. Nice stuck area. More tinsel doors. See? And then when it comes to the fridge, they give you the biggest one in that category, which is 10.7, 12 volt, almost 11 cubic for reefer, 12 volt. Now, why people don't like this floor plan? Because you have a prepping area here next to the sink as well. You have this whole entire area, counter space. You could put some food on it if you want to serve them like a bar. Also, you could put your coffee maker, toasters. You could put your drinks, bottles. You name it. I mean, you could do it like a bar. You could do it like I call it the appliances counter space. Toaster, coffee maker, the Ninja, the air fryer. My kids love it. So you could put all this stuff here, and the kids can come grab the food and leave. Now, another advantage in this floor plan, people they ask me, if I pull on the side of the road, could I access my fridge? And to answer the question, they designed it this way by shifting the counter a little bit. So yes, you have full access to the fridge, even if you pull on the side of the road and you don't have to open the slide. That's the most common question consumer asks on this floor plan. Could I open my fridge even if the slide is closed? Yes, you could open the fridge, you could sit on the chair, and you could get to your bathroom and bedroom without opening any slide out. That's a big deal. Now, ladies, they're gonna say, okay, I know you give me counter space here, counter space here. I know there's a place for cooking pan where I'm gonna put my cereal, food, and sugars, flours, and so. Well, they give you a big pantry over here, and this is with adjustable shelf. You could see, you could add more shelf to it, or both things. So they give you the nice pantry on the unit. Across from that, you have a nice table and a 4 chair. What I like about these tables, it is no counter, no legs. Always I hit my knees when I go to these RV tables. Except that one I don't have because I don't have post in the middles, and I don't have, this is attached to the wall, and they give you a very roomy for 4 people. I could scoop the chair back more or that way so I could sit. Nice door. And each area, notice whatever you set, what's next to you? USB plug. It's right there. There's one. Next to the theater, USB plug. Next to the sofa, on both sides of the sofa, USB plug. So that's the nice feature. Also, look at the curved roof with nice modern LED lights, control over the dimmer. And they give you the beauty about the curved roof, not just the look, also it helps not to let the snow and water sit on the roof. That's a major benefit. And you could see this is the controller for the dimmers, on, off, and you could dim it. And then walking here, you have a separate hall. And that will give you a really nice queen bedroom. So it has full privacy door. You have your own AC, so you don't have to tell me, oh, I'm on a bedroom between those 4 walls and it's too hot. Well, you have your own AC. You have your own TV. You could put a TV, second TV here on the bracket. You have your own closet for the light, hanging clothes. Also, if this closet isn't enough, we have, I wish the cameraman show them, there's a big doors at the corner, and you could hang clothes and shelf. And then you have two closets here, so when it comes to clothes, plenty for your extended stay. And if you need more storage too, you have also storage here for your blanket, sheets, pillows. So there's no problem here. And then what I like about this bed, this is a 60 by 80 queen bed. There's a spot here for breathing machines. There's a plug for USB on this lot, on both sides, 110 and USB. So in case if you want your laptop, your iPad, as well your breathing machine, you have no problem. Good counter space over there, you could put things on it before you go to bed. Same one here, and full privacy in this bedroom. Also we have two windows, and those windows, they are open, so this window is open as well, that for wind circulations. Now let's go to the bathroom and show you the bathroom of this unit. Now in the bathroom, what I really like, they give you a really nice linen closets, porcelain toilet, and there's no issue for your knees. Even if you're a big guy, you have plenty of room for your knees. Nice sink with a prepping area on the left, a nice medicine cabinet, solid, not a plastic. And then you have a big shower, you could see here. No issue in the height, elbow, no issue. And then go. So this is the beautiful bathroom of the 287 Bullet. Coming down here, I'm gonna sit, relax, enjoy the movie. And I wish you guys, you come to Best RV and grab the best rear living, travel trailer, half-ton towable, 2-slide, loaded, 2 ACs, everything you ask, and a price you can't shop at in California, because we give you the lowest price on this unit in this side of the country.